Imagine landing the President of the United States in the middle of a crowded city, or on the south lawn of the White House, or near a disaster zone where every second matters. Unlike Air Force One, Marine One can reach places that airplanes simply cannot. But that flexibility also creates extraordinary security challenges. Before the helicopter ever lifts off or touches down, an entire team has already been working behind the scenes. Today, we'll explore the incredible security operation behind Marine One, America's presidential helicopter. For the President of the United States, time and security are closely connected. Traveling by road through busy cities can create delays and increase logistical challenges. Marine One provides a faster and more flexible way to reach destinations that may be difficult to access by motorcade alone. Whether traveling between official events, visiting military bases, or responding to emergencies, the helicopter allows the President to move efficiently while maintaining a high level of security. Its ability to take off and land in a variety of locations makes it one of the most important transportation assets supporting presidential travel. Every Marine One mission begins long before the President steps aboard. Security teams inspect landing zones, review access points, and coordinate with local authorities. Temporary restricted areas may be established to help maintain a secure environment. Advanced personnel evaluate potential risks and ensure the landing site is prepared for a safe arrival and departure. Whether the destination is a government building, military installation, or open field, careful planning helps reduce uncertainty before the helicopter ever appears in the sky. Once Marine One is airborne, security efforts continue. Communication teams maintain coordination throughout the flight, while weather conditions and airspace are continuously monitored. Every journey follows carefully planned procedures designed to support safe transportation. Although many operational details remain confidential for security reasons, the mission depends on constant communication and close coordination among the organizations involved. The goal is not only to transport the President efficiently, but also to remain prepared for unexpected situations. Landing is one of the most critical moments of any Marine One mission. As the helicopter approaches, security personnel secure the surrounding area and monitor activity on the ground. Once the aircraft touches down, every movement is carefully coordinated. The President exits quickly and proceeds toward the next stage of the journey, often joining a waiting motorcade or entering a secured facility. While these moments may appear routine on television, they represent the result of detailed preparation and teamwork. Protecting a president means preparing not only for routine travel, but also for unexpected events. Security teams develop contingency plans, identify alternate landing sites, and coordinate backup transportation options. The objective is to remain flexible and ready to respond if conditions change. While many operational details are not publicly disclosed, It is widely understood that careful planning plays a central role in presidential transportation. Preparedness helps ensure that every mission can continue safely, even when circumstances become unpredictable. To most people, Marine One is simply a helicopter carrying the president. But behind every flight stands a network of military personnel, aviation professionals, security specialists, planners, and support teams working together toward a single mission. Their coordination transforms an ordinary helicopter flight into one of the most carefully planned transportation operations in the world. For the public, the journey may last only a few minutes. For the people protecting it, the mission begins long before the engines start and continues long after the helicopter has departed. Marine One represents far more than presidential transportation. It is the result of careful planning, professional coordination, and the dedication of countless individuals working behind the scenes to help ensure the president can travel safely wherever duty calls. If you enjoyed this inside look at one of America's most iconic aircraft, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Escort for more documentaries exploring elite protection units, hidden security operations, and the people who operate in the shadows.